Hello students, now we are going to discuss the death of the hired man as a representative of death and the major themes found in the death of the hired man. So let's start the death of the hired man as a representative of death. The poem accounts for the unfortunate death of a poor man who dies helplessly at his master's farm. The poem begins with the conversation of a rural couple. The wife, Mary, tells her husband, naming Warren, that their ex worker has returned, asking for forgiveness. Mary wants her husband to forgive the poor farmhand, whereas Warren does not want to take him back, as he always has disappointed them. Mary constantly tries to convince her husband, saying Silas is in a miserable state and has come to us to die. Since Warren has not seen Silas during his illness, he is still angry over the commitment Silas broke in the past. He simply does not want to give him a second chance to a man who has already broken his trust. The lady, on the other hand, does not give up and eventually convinces her husband to take the poor man in. Unfortunately, when Warren goes to receive Silas, he is already dead. The poet wants to convey that one should forgive others in time. Let's move to the major themes in the death of the hired man. Power, death, forgiveness, and guilt are the major themes of this poem. The poem revolves around the subject of a poor farmhand who broke his contract in the past and left his master's farm in the time of need. Agitated, he makes a return, but his authoritative master refuses to accept him. However, the kind lady takes pity on his miserable condition and convinces her husband to let go of the things he had once done. Unfortunately, the master takes too much time to decide the fate of his ex employee. He dies helplessly in the farm. Guilt remains the core of the poem. The poor man perhaps come back because of the guilt that he had been dishonest to his master in the past. When he intends to rectify his error, the authoritative nature of mankind hinders his way. Warren, on the other hand, also remains guilt ridden when he finds the man dead in his property.